Hey guys, here's a quick review, like unboxing review video on this brand new EGSCATEE, I guess that's how it's pronounced, EGSCATEE inverter. This inverter it is rated for 2500 watts and it's a pure sine wave. I think that's important for me, so I make sure I purchase a pure sine wave inverter. So this will convert a 12 volt input to a 120 volt AC. And so this is what's inside of the box when you purchase this brand new. And you got this inverter with aluminum casing and looks pretty solid. And come with a box of harness, very thick gauge wires to connect to positive, negative terminals. And looks like there's a small thinner wires with alligator clip. I don't know what's that for. And a very simple wrench, and there's a fuse there. Yes, that's for this box, this bag. Inside of the box, there's another bag. This is a remote control, I guess. And with the Ethernet cable plugged into the inverter, and you were able to control the inverter on and off in long distance. So that's pretty handy. And here is a user's manual, and it's all in English. And I haven't got a chance to read this yet, but I don't think I need to read that. So I'm gonna give this a try. I have an old 12 volt battery. I'm gonna connect that to this inverter to see if I can pull any power from this guy. Okay, this inverter is pretty heavy. It's about 10 pounds, more than 10 pounds maybe. And let's take a quick look. There are two big fans on the back with a big terminal, positive, negative, and those are covered by some plastic covers. You can unscrew this nut to uncover this. And on the other hand, on the other side, we have 4 AC output, and there's another AC if you just want to wire wires, and 2 USBs, on and off switch, and some power lights. Okay, so pretty simple, straightforward. Oh, there's a ground connection. Now I know what's that alligator wire for. It's probably for this ground connection. All right, so nothing too crazy. Of course, it's made in China. Everything is made in China. The only problem I saw, maybe not a problem, is so this wire is probably 2 or 3 AWG. I don't know what's the rating here. This is from China. It's probably not it doesn't have a standard AWG rating, but the problem is this ring connector here. I think this will go on this terminal on the inverter with no problem. However, on the other side, it has a little bit bigger ring connector. I have an old, like, automotive 12 volt battery, and that terminal is thick. I don't think this terminal can go on that automotive car battery. We gotta be smart later about this.